Hey class, welcome to physics. I hope you're getting excited. I wanted to just make a short video to give you a rundown on how to navigate our Canvas course site in case you have any questions. So if you go to the home page, you're going to see something that looks like this. This says Welcome to Physics 201 for those of you in Physics 201, and it would say Welcome to Physics 211 for those of you in my other class. But this is your home page that you should see every time you log into Canvas. From here, you can see there's a couple welcome videos. You can learn a little bit about who I am, as well as how the course is going to work, as well as some useful information about contacting me, office hours, Zoom meetings, those types of things. You can find links to our syllabus, as well as other useful documents. And then down here, this is where you're going to be spending much of your time is in these things called modules for each of the different weeks of the course. Also, before we move on to the modules, I just wanted to show you off to the left here, it will oftentimes show you the upcoming assignments that are due and when they're due and so on. So anyway, if we get started by jumping into week one, right away when you go to the module, I have really everything set up to be explained in the week one, let's get started, or week two, let's get started, and so on. If you go there, it will really walk you through everything you need to know for the week. So I tell you what I expect you to read from our textbook, the videos to watch. I have introduction videos to kind of frame each different unit, as well as my lecture videos with PowerPoints, and then sample videos. So you can see for the first half of the week to watch by Wednesday are these four videos. Each week are broken up into two different chunks. So things that should be done by Wednesday, and then videos to be watched by Friday to make sure you have all of your second half of the week assignments ready to go by Saturday. So you can see things are due Wednesday at midnight, and then another set of items are due Saturday by midnight every single week. And really every week you're going to have a workshop and then a Wiley Plus online homework due on Wednesday, and a workshop and a Wiley Plus homework also due on Saturday. And then you'll see there's some other items such as the Introduce Yourself assignment, Lab 1, Quiz 1, and you're required to sign up for office hour meetings with me. So you can see that's kind of what week one will look like. Again, if we go back to our home page, you move on to, let's say, week two, and you'll see something very similar. So again, you can see, let's get started at week two, and you'll see the very same structure, what to read, the videos for Wednesday, the videos for Friday, the assignments due Wednesday, the assignments due Saturday by midnight. Now, if we go back really quick to the module, just so you can see again here, when you're in the module, you can also see each of the different assignments for that week. So here's homework 3, which is the Wiley Plus homework, and then the workshop, which will be handwritten, and you'll submit a PDF of your solutions to this folder. Here you can see homework 4, workshop 4, lab 2, and then quiz number 2. Down here you'll also oftentimes see PowerPoints. You can see these up here as well. Those are just there for reference. I included them. You don't likely need them a lot because those are the same PowerPoints in my videos that I'm talking through with you all. But if you ever want to reference them back for your notes, you can. One thing to point out, further reading, since we use that online Wiley Plus textbook, you'll see here on the left, in addition to modules where you can check grades and my announcements and so on, you'll also see Wiley Plus course resources. If you click on that, it will take you to a separate website where you will be able to look at different course resources within each of these chapters. You can see different reference materials, videos, all kinds of things, and you can always click on the e-textbook and it will take you straight to that chapter and section of the book. So you can see here, this is where you can work through doing your reading of your textbook, looking at chapter 1, section 1, or chapter 2, and so on. You can always click on the table of contents if you want to look at other chapters. And this is where you'll do your course reading. You'll see different example problems and things in here as well. So that's a little basics about how to use the course website. If you have other questions, you're always welcome to let me know. You can always click on your assignments tab over here to see all the upcoming assignments organized in order of when things are due and broken down by category. So here's all the homeworks. Here's all the workshops. Here's all the labs, quizzes, the midterms, and so on. So you're welcome to play around. If you have any questions with where to find things or how to find things, just let me know. But I hope you guys have a box-worthy time. I'm looking forward to our class this semester.